Hi, welcome to Math Motive. In today's session, let's cover a topic called combinations. Let me read out the definition of combinations. It is a way to count the number of selections which can be done from a group when order does not matter. Besides permutations, in which order matters, combinations is another counting principle. Let's look at a simple example. If a woman has 3 skirts and 4 shirts, number of combinations of outfits she can wear for work is calculated as 3 into 4, that is 12 outfits. I will explain to you how to count the number of combinations in the following slides. Now let us just look at the formula. NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. Let's look at a simple problem on combinations. Let me read out the problem statement to you. Pick up 3 pink balls, 4 blue balls, 5 green balls from bag 1 and 2 blue, 3 green and 1 yellow from bag 2. How many ways can you pick the balls from both the bags? The total number of balls in the bag 1 and 2 are denoted pictorially. So let's look at the diagram. Bag 1. There are 3 pink balls, 5 blue balls, 6 green balls and 1 yellow ball. And in bag 2, there are 3 yellow, 1 pink, 5 blue and 4 green. The total number of balls are pictorially denoted below the bags. Okay. So let's continue the solution in the following slide. Let's look at the solution in this slide. We are asked to pick up 3 pink balls from bag 1 from a total of 3 of them. 1, 2 and 3. Number of ways we can do it is 3C3. Now a total of 4 blue balls from the same bag when there are 5 of them. Number of ways we can do it is 5C4. Then 5 green balls from the same bag from a total of 6 of them. Number of ways we can do it is 6C5. Okay. Now let's look at bag 2. 2 blue balls from a total of 5. Number of ways we can do it is 5C2. 3 green balls from a total of 4 from bag 2. Number of ways we can do it is 4C3. And just 1 yellow ball from a total of 3. Three C1 is the number of ways we can do it. Let's continue the solution in the next slide. Now let's look at the solution in this tabular format. There are total of 3 pink, 5 blue, 6 green and 1 yellow in bag 1. And number of balls to pick up is 3 out of 3 pink. And number of ways you can do it is 3C3, that is equal to 1. And for blue balls, there are a total of 5 of them, and number of blue balls to pick up from bag 1 is 4. Number of ways the selection can be done is 5C4, that is equal to 5. Same with green. So, number of ways to select 5 green balls from a total of 6 of them is 6C5 and the value is 6. We are not asked to pick up any yellow ball from bag 1. So, here we don't have to calculate the number of ways. The number of ways in which these selections can be made from bag 1 is 1 into 5 into 6, that is 30 ways. Let me explain it to you clearly. The number of ways in which 3 pink balls and 4 blue balls and 5 green balls can be selected is 1 into 5 into 6, that is 30 ways. Okay. Now let's look at bag 2. There is 1 pink ball in bag 2 and we are not asked to pick up any of the pink balls. So there is no need to count the number of ways. Okay. There are 5 blue balls and we are asked to pick up 2 of them. Number of ways in which we can pick up 2 blue balls from a total of 5 is 5C2, that is 10. Number of ways in which we can pick up 3 green balls from a total of 4 is 4C3 and the value is 4. And number of ways in which we can pick up one yellow ball from a total of 3 is 3C1 and the value is 3. So, the total number of ways in which we can pick up 2 blue balls from a total of 5 and 3 green balls from a total of 4 and 1 yellow ball from a total of 3 is calculated as 10 into 4 into 3, that is 120 ways. Okay. Now we are asked to count the number of ways in which we can pick up these balls from bag 1 and bag 2. So by counting principle, again we have to multiply. So that is 120 into 30, that is equal to 3600 ways. Okay, so that is the final answer. More videos coming up from Math Motive. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.